Hello everyone, are you all there? Well, welcome to my new adventure. My name is Simone, I'm a professional photographer and I would like to bring you all into my journey. What is the journey about? Would you like to know some stories behind the pictures? Would you like to learn something more about the ISO, shutter speed, aperture, long exposure, white balance, sunrise and sunset pictures, firework pictures? Is the tripod really useful? What kind of equipment should I buy before to spend a lot of money? A lot of questions that will find answers into my videos. So why don't you just join me into this adventure? Subscribe my channel, follow me, and together we will have a lot of fun. I'll see you there.